All right, we're ready to start here. The date is November 22nd, 2024. This is game 53 of the PEI Early Bird Tournament. Game number 2 for the Sackville Flyers. Although we're sitting on the visitor bench, we're actually the home team here. This is Sackville at the Moncton Hawks. Sackville going into this 1-0. Moncton Hawks are 0-1. Dropped one here this morning. I watched that game. They look like a strong team. This is not going to be an easy game at all. So it looks like Jaden Walsh is going to play this game. At least he's going to start the game. He was hurt in the previous game, knee injury. But I saw him taking warm-up. There he is, number 20. See how he fares. Good to have him in the lineup for sure. Bolivar gets to start today. Lively line's going to start. Smith and Hervey on the wings. Bowden and McIsaac can start on blue line. Moncton wins the draw. Away they come. Lively hits his guy. Harvey kicks that to himself, tries to slide that through. He hit a skate on the way through. Away comes Moncton. They dump it deep. That's Bowden. He puts on the brakes. There goes Smith. Smith missed Kaysen. Important for Sackville to get a good start here. Some heavy hits. Okay, fresh legs coming out for the Flyers. This guy number 2's got wheels. This is Martin from Moncton. We got to watch out for him. He tries to send it out front, nothing doing. Ooh, nice shot there, dangerous shot there. Here goes Anderson. Anderson's up. He goes to the outside, he cuts in, he's got ice, he rips it, goes well high. There's Glover. Glover keeps it in. Puck out of play, we'll get fresh legs. Out comes the Ryan line. This will be our first look at Walsh since the injury. Ryan at center, Slavuta on the left. Slavuta sends it back to Sedurk. Sedurk sends that over to Groom. Groom fans on that. He backhands it into Slavuta's skates. Still there. Ryan dumps it to the corner. Slavuta's there. Slavuta behind the net. He tries to backhand that out front. Hit a skate. Here's Groom. Groom will put that clapper on. Oh, Slavuta just about got it. Good job there by Sedurk to pinch. Ryan in the corner. Ryan hits his guy hard. They both go down hard. Away comes Moncton. Anderson pushed his guy. We got a 2-on-1 here. Ah, nice shot. Nice save by Bali. No sweat for him. He covers up. We'll get a whistle. We're going to have a face-off to his right. And out comes the Lively line for the second time of the game. .9:44 left to play in the first period. Moncton. There's McIsaac. He sends it up the half wall. Harvey's there. Harvey going to try and intercept that. He's not able to. Lively sends it over to Smith. Smith's got ice. Smith tries to send it to Harvey. It makes it its way through. Harvey gets his stick lifted, and we get a penalty. Not sure what the call was on that. Hooking is the call. Missed that totally. Sackville's going to go on a power play. See if we can't capitalize on an early power play. Lively line starts this power play. Be a big win here for Kaysen. Kaysen sends it over. McIsaac jumps on that. He sends that. Bowden. Bowden to McIsaac. McIsaac to Lively. Lively goes wide. Harvey's behind him. Goes all the way around. Smith's got to be quick. Smith sends it over to McIsaac. McIsaac's going to leave that for Lively. Lively's going to skate this. Lively drops the shoulder. Harvey's going to pick this up in the corner. Harvey puts the brakes on. He gets that puck knocked off of him. He gets help. Harvey's got it again. He's going to go the other way. Can he see anyone? He hits the side of the net. Look dangerous. Harvey gets that. Harvey sends that to the blue line. Bowden not able to handle the pass. We got to reset here. Dump that deep. And we'll get fresh legs, I suspect. No, Harvey stays out. Parker Anderson, no, Harvey's going off. Anderson's out. We got Hubley's out there. Here goes Anderson. He going down the wing. Anderson, no, nice move there. He cuts. We get an offside. Hubley was off by just a step. Parker at center. McKinnon whacks at it. Kendall's got it. Kendall turns on the brakes, sends it to McKinnon. McKinnon fires it up to Anderson. Anderson's on that hard. That's Hubley on the other side. There's Parker. Can he rip one? He does. Nice save. Phone flying up the wing. That's Glover. Glover comes in. He swipes at it. Good job by Glover. Glover slows that down. He doesn't get the help he needed, though. That'll kill them. That penalty. Moncton's back even strength. 5-on-5 hockey. Kendall. He turns. He sends it to nobody. Here's Kendall. That shot went well high. McKinnon coming in on the half wall. He's got a mismatch on size there. This is Kendall again. He sends it over. Oh, nice touch there by Hubley. Parker loses that for a second. He's going to fire that in. That's icing. Good start to this game for both teams. I'm in a bad position though. I can't see the score clock. I'm going to have to move here between periods. That's going to hit the mesh. We'll have that face off over again. Ryan wins the draw. Away comes Slavuta. Slavuta tries to find Walsh. Walsh is skating fine. He's in the corner. That's exactly where he got hurt last game. Hopefully he's not timid this time. There's Walsh. Walsh backhands that out. Moncton grabs that. Away comes Moncton. 3-on-2. Here goes, no, Slavuta hopped over his stick. That's Siduric. Siduric behind the net. He sends it over to his partner, who's Groom. Groom's going to chip that up to Slavuta, I think. He gets pinned on the boards. Here goes Walsh. He's on the boards. Tries to find Ryan. Sackville not connecting with their passes early in the game. Got to tighten that up. Ryan with some ice. He's going to reset. He's well chased though. Here goes Siduric. He finds Slavuta. Slavuta's got 2 to beat. He beats 1. He puts on the brakes. He sends it over to Walsh. Walsh tries to rip it. It hits a skate. It's still there. Walsh, he's still got it in his skates. It's Lively. Bowden, he tries to snap it. That hit something in front. Slavuta sends it out front. Walshy not able to grab that. Here we go. Case and Lively going to pick it up with ice. Here goes Case. Jason with a nice shot. Here comes Smith and Harvey. Volley gloves that down, no sweat. We'll have a face-off to his right. 4:51 left to play in the first period. Still no score. Casey wins the draw. Bowden pushes it up. Smith is chasing that. Smith has Harvey with him. There's Harvey. Harvey not able to do anything with it. Just a weak backhand. Here's Lively. He can rip it. He does. Misses high. There's McIsaac. McIsaac sends it to Harvey. It's a rolling puck. Harvey to Kaysen. Kaysen back over to Harv. Harv pins that on the half wall. Moncton flips that high. Bowden will keep that in. Bowden chips that along. There's Kaysen on the half wall. Smith comes in to help. Moncton's going to clear this. They're not able to control it though. Bowden just sends that in deep, but he hits a Moncton player. Bowden grabs that. Bowden's going to skate that a bit. He chips it in. There's Bowden again. There's Smith. Smith sends it out front. There's Parker Anderson. Scramble in front of the net. Not able to get anything going there. Got to be careful here. Kendall. Kendall gets some stick on it. Loses it in the skates of a Hawk. There's Smith. Smith's going to reset. Sackville playing on their heels right now. Here's Harvey. Harvey's going to send that up. Nice touch for Anderson. Anderson's going to try and chip that to himself. That's going to hit the goalie. No ice, but they'll cover up. We'll get a face-off to the right of the Moncton Hawk goalie. 3:20 left to play. Still no score. That's McKinnon. McKinnon pulls that out. Glover backhands that back in. Glover scrambling. He at least buys some time. It's a one-on-one here. Glover comes in to help Kendall. Behind the net. Kendall's got to go back there. He chips it over to McKinnon. McKinnon's got it. Long lead pass into traffic. Nothing doing. Sackville not able to break out of the zone very well. Moncton's got it here now. Uh-oh. One nothing for the Hawks. Ryan at center. Slavuta sends it to Siduric. Siduric sends it to Slavuta. Momentum has certainly shifted here. Here's Slavuta. Let's see if he can get an equalizer. Tries to slide it over. Not able to. 3 attempts. Still not able to get it. His 4th attempt. That hopped over Walsh's stick. Siduric's there. He sends it to the corner to Walsh. Walsh has a one-on-one battle. Moncton's going to clear this. Nope. Good job on the back check by Walshy. They'll clear it here now. There's Groom. Groom sends it to his partner. his partner. Nice touch to Slavuta. Slavuta tried to cut through the middle, not able to get through. Too much traffic. There's Walshy on the corner. Walshy turns. Walshy still has possession. Puts on the brakes. He rips it, goes wide. There's Ryan. He sends it to no man's land to buy time. Slavuta's groom. Groom didn't get all of that. McIsaac, he clears that. Not gonna be icing, no ice, no ice. That'll do it for the period. 1-0 for the Hawks. Fairly even play. So Sackville's got to kill a penalty here. I think it's Smith in the box. Very important PK. If you don't get out of this, you're in big trouble. The interference is a call on Smith. Great save by Baldy there. Still not able to clear it. This is trouble. That comes out. Harvey on the forecheck. Harvey going hard. He's coming in super hard. Ooh, look at this. Oh, Anderson ripped it. Almost rewarded. Hand pass, I think. Parker at center. Glover. He makes no mistake about those. 30 seconds left in the Smith minor. Landry has it here in front of me. He tried to find his guy. Ooh, that didn't miss by much. Smith ready to come out of the box. We're not out of trouble, though. In fact, we're in big trouble. That helped. Hubie comes flying in. Kendall. All Moncton here. All Moncton. There goes McKinnon. Tackle trapped in their own end. There goes McKinnon and Anderson. McKinnon, he misses wide. Hubie missed that. Scott's up on the wing. He's got lots of speed. Groom picks that up. He sends that around the boards. Ryan comes in. Oh, Bolly had to make a save there. Bolly again had to be sharp. Sackville getting away from its game here a little bit. Dirk gloves it down. He sends it in deep. It goes wide. Moncton back deep. Ryan flies in. Dirk has it from Groom. Tried to find Slavuta, just hopped over his stick blade. Slavuta, he's flying around. He sends it over to Groom. Groom with a shot through traffic, missed wide. Moncton ices that puck. .7:54 left to play in the second period. 1-0 for the Hawks. Walsh wins the draw. Slavuta has it. He tries to send it back. Dirk's got to be sharp. He races back to the corner. He's followed by O'Connor. Dirk cuts up the middle. He sends it over to Ryan. Ryan feeds Walsh. Walsh has ice. Walsh is going to rip it hard. Nope, missed it wide. We get that hand pass down. Dirk puts it in deep. Nice cross-ice pass there by Moncton, but O'Connor wasn't able to contain it, so Dirk gets in front of him. Dirk pins it on the boards. Moncton comes away with it, though. Ryan's in to help. Pushes it over. Dirk taps that over for Groom. Groom, he decides to go behind the net again. That's Walsh digging. There's Ryan digging. Slavuta. Long shift for these guys. That's what happens when you stay on the ice too long. 2-0 for Moncton. Lively sends it over to Harvey. Harvey pins it on the boards. He knows that he had to. Clapper. 3-0 Moncton. Offside. Sloan dumps it deep.
Nothing of it so far, Lindsay. So, when Ontario finds Arsenal is the good part. Arsenal will go.
They'll hit the post. Kendall sends it up to Parker Anderson. Parker cuts to the middle. He rips it. It goes well high. Walsh is out there. Slavuta's out there. Kendall sends it deep again. Walsh is in first. Moncton playing aggressive now. They've got a player staying high. Here's Slavuta. Let's make them pay for it. He goes down. Ryan, he drops the shoulder. He knows no one's there with him yet. Sends it to Groom. Groom's going to send that to Ryan in the corner. Nice pass there. It's out front. Too hot for Slavuta. He sends it again. Walsh is there. Just can't land on the stick. No luck here whatsoever. We're going to get an icing call. And we'll get fresh legs, I think. Nope. Slavuta behind the net. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, Walsh couldn't close on it. Sackville can absolutely not afford to go to the box for obvious reasons. We're down 3 goals in a very important game. So Derek fans on it. Another really long shift here for these guys, so we got to get them off. Their legs are burning. Here goes Siduric. Offsides. All right, we got a fresh set of legs coming out. We got Smith and Harvey out there. Lively's out there at center. Need a goal in this period. Don't want to go again, 3-goal deficit. Harvey puts it into the corner. Smith's there, he's chasing. Smith playing good pressure, so is Harvey. Smith's out front. Smith sends it out to no one now. That hit a player. Harvey's going to come in, try and steal that. We ice that. No, it's not going to make it to icing though. Harvey keeps it up there with his feet. Oh, Harvey misses both players. Harvey tipped that, I think, or it appeared to be tipped from this angle. There's Bowden. Bowden sends it in front of the net. Smith coming in. Bowden has it. He's going to send it over, or Bowden has it there. That was Glover. It's in front of the net. Sloan goes after it. Kayson's still out there. Bowden sends it to Kayson. Kayson's on it. Kayson's on his backhand. He's going to leave it for Bowden. Bowden sends it. It's a tip. Scramble in front of the net. Not able to get anything going there. Bowden's got to be sharp. He's going to let that go by him. Glover will get back there. 1:20 left to play in the second period. Still 3-0 for the Hawks. Nice pass there. Here goes Anderson. He falls.
Good job getting it across.
Volley leaves that for McKinnon. Kendall. Momentum all Hawks here. 30 seconds left. Offsides is the call. Saluta's out here. Brian Walsh. Exactly 30 seconds left to play in the second period. 3-0. Saluta's in. He's got Walsh with him. There's Walshy. Walshy on the backhand. Oh, he couldn't make it happen. What an opportunity that was for Walsh.
Just enough. Oh my gosh.
Couple good chances there by the Flyers. Not able to capitalize though. That would have been a great goal to have. Sackville's got quite a hill to climb here in the third period. It can be done, but this is a strong Moncton team. "12 minutes left. Flyers have got to come out flying. Going to need a little bit of puck luck here. Going to need nice short shifts. They're going to need disciplined play. Cannot afford to be shorthanded in this period. We've got a line configuration change here. Coach Bezanson doing whatever he can to light a spark under this team. We don't have a lot of time to make it happen. Lively at center. Lively wins it. Goes straight to Slavuta. Slavuta's going to try and split him. He goes by them. Slavuta behind the net. He comes in. Kayson's got that. Kayson's battling. Slavuta's helping him. Harvey goes to the front of the net. That's going to go to the corner. Harvey's going to get there. He's going to send that back. Harvey sends it through those kids. Moncton. They flip that to the neutral zone. That's Groom. Sedurk. He sends that over to Harvey. Harvey's going to go wide. He puts that to the corner. Harvey gets there. He's going to steal this. Pins it. He's got Slavuta coming in for help. Slavuta whacks at it. All Moncton there right now. Groom will hold this in. He's got Kayson right there with him. Groom sends it through traffic and hit the goalie's pad. Goalie didn't see much of that either. Here we go. Harvey's got it in the corner. Harvey puts the brace on, sends it behind him. Kaysen comes in. Kaysen swipes at that. Out it comes. Siduric, he slaps at it. It's in the slot. It's there. Scramble. All three players digging for it. Kaysen's got it. Siduric's going to shoot it again. And we got one. Beautiful. Exactly what the Flyers needed. All right, so we've got another line coming out here. Walsh, Ryan, and Anderson here on the wing in front of me. Forgive me, folks, the lines are a little different. Take me a sec here to get them figured out. Moncton wins the draw. Moncton comes in, that's big 87 with it. It gets slipped out. We're going to have an offside call. No, we're not. Sorry, I thought I heard a whistle. Anderson, long lead pass over for Walsh. He was too hot. Walsh, he dumps it in. Ryan's charging. McIsaac. There's Anderson. Anderson, he lifts the stick. We're going to put it back in deep again. Ryan's in the corner. He's all alone. He's going to need help. Walsh comes in. It hits Walsh's skate. Parker's there. Siduric with the goal. Harvey with the helper. Anderson. Just out of reach for Walshy, but it's still a good pass. Walshy's up. He's got Anderson with him. Takes a bump on the boards. Great job by Walsh to recover. He was hurt. He's still hurt, actually. I saw him limping into the rink earlier. Here's Ryan. What can Ryan do? Ryan sends it back. That's Kendall, sends it to Ryan. Ryan's going to try and feed it out front. It's there. There's Glover. Oh, what a great shot by Glover. Here comes Smith, Hubley, and McKinnon. Sackville keeps it in. It's in the corner. McKinnon battling on the boards. Hubley comes in to help him. There's Kendall. Kendall sends it in deep. Arsenal picks that up. He's got tons of time. Smith's on him. Way it comes. Glover's going to send that deep. We're still onside. Not now. Kendall's got to be sharp here. This is Melanson. Good stick by Kendall. Here goes Smith. Smith. They dump and chase. Good hustle by Hubley. It goes through McKinnon's legs. It's out of reach for Groom. Siduric's got to be sharp. He sends it to the corner. Fresh legs coming on for the Flyers. Just out of reach for Lively. Lively chasing. Groom's there. Groom's going to pin that on the board. He's going to send it forward. Slavuta's there. Harvey comes in to help. Lively's there. Slavuta. Slavuta's going to send that out to Harvey. It hops over his stick. Great opportunity there. Harvey dumps it to the corner. Slavuta's going in hard. He hits him. Shot on net. Oh, good shot there. Another shot out front. Groom. Nice play by Groom. He's got it there. Slavuta's got it in the corner. Slavuta's going to... Oh, he lost possession there. Groom's got to be quick here. Siduric's going to take his guy. Dump and chase. All the way around. Slavuta's going to get there first. He's going to pin it on the corner. Harvey hits it. Fresh legs coming out. Here's McIsaac. McIsaac sends it to Groom. Groom up along. He's trying to find Ryan. There's Siduric. Parker. Parker backhands it. It hits a body. Parker sends it over to Slavuta. We got to get Slavuta off here. Neutral zone. 6:52 left to play in the game. 3-1 is the score. Every goal counts. Even if you don't win, you need these goals. There's Walshy. Walshy sends it up for Anderson. Anderson's on the half wall. It's in behind the net. Can we find us? Ryan's all alone out front. Can we find him? We send it there. There's Bowden. He's going to send it on net. It's in traffic. Here we go. Oh, McIsaac fanned on it. We go digging. It's close. Oh. Here comes the Smith line. Smith, Hubley, Sloan McKinnon. 6:10 left to play in the third period. Hubley ties up his guy. Smith comes in to help. It's there. Hubley in the corner. Around it comes. McIsaac saves that. He sets it right on net. We're going to get a face-off. Do it again from the exact same spot. Good job by Hubley. McIsaac's going to pin that on the boards. He sends that through traffic. That made it right through. Sloan. Uh-oh. Big mistake by Sloan. Big mistake by Bowden. Will it cost us? Good job there by that defenseman. Neutral zone. All right, McKinnon dumps. They're going to go off. We got to get it done here. Harvey poke checks that, goes behind the net. There's Glover, he takes a bump. He kicks it, he's trying to find Harvey. Good second effort there. We're not going to get a call here though. Here goes Harvey battling on the boards, he gets it. He sends it over to Slavuta. Slavuta's through. Slavuta's through. No goal, no goal. Ah, jeez, that was hard. That must have been close. Lively. Harvey. Harvey sends it out front. No one's there. They ice it. Paulie played that for some reason. Maybe he had to. .408 left to play in the game. Still 3-1. Anderson. Groom to Siduric. Siduric behind the net. We've got to be aggressive here. There goes Anderson. He's got to fly. He's through. Can he get a shot off? Oh, can we get a rebound? No. Great opportunity there by Anderson. Icing is the call. We'll get it done down here one more time. .339 left. Walsh at center. Walsh kicks it to himself. Nice shot there by Walsh with a backhand. And they ice it again. Okay. Okay, so we're going empty net. Smith will be the extra forward. Through to Smith. Smith's got to go to the corner. He goes behind the net. Nice button hook there by Smith. He puts it out front. Oh, just missed Lively's stick. Lively's got it there now. Lots of traffic in front of the net. He shoots it on net. It's there. It's there. Oh, good job there by Siduric to send that wide. Groom's there. Siduric's got it. He's got a Harvey with him on one side, Smith on the other. We're going to get a penalty. Nice break here for the Flyers. It is late in the game though. 2:36 left to play. Harvey's going to take the draw. You got all kinds of firepower out there. There we go. There we go. Groom's got it. He's going to send it over to his partner. His partner is going to walk in. Shot on net. Scramble in front of the net. We get a whistle. We're on the right side, so Lively will take this draw. Again, very important to win this. Control this play, settle this down. We're able to keep it in, not able to. All right, Siduric's back to get this. Harvey's going to drop the shoulder. He's just going to out-muscle that kid. He got tripped. Not enough for a call, though. Jack sends that to the corner. Lively's there. Harvey's charging the net. Lively's there. Lively's going to send that behind the net. This is Siduric. He's going to send that for Lively. He's got two guys in front of the net. Can he feed them? He's going to send that over to Siduric. Siduric not able to contain it. Groom's got this. Lots of time. Sends it to Slavuta. Slavuta's skating. He's got Lively with him. He cuts to the middle. Oh, he mishandles it. Oh, good shot, and that's going to do it. He's going to miss that net. Oh, he missed that net. Still a minute 15 left. Harvey's got it. Harvey's taking ice. He goes wide. He's going to try and feed it in front. Nope, he backhands. It's in the corner. Harvey's going to lift that stick. There's Slavuta. What can he do? He walks in. Oh, nice backhand pass. That comes out. We've got 50 seconds left. It'd be nice to get a goal here. We got to be aggressive here. Walshy sends it to Ryan. Ryan cuts in the middle. There's traffic in the middle. Anderson's there. Can he get a stick on it? Into the corner. Ryan's already there. He's got to throw it in front of the net. We don't have time. There goes McIsaac. You got to shoot it. It's through. It's through. It's through. Can we jam it in? It's still loose. Walshy, he rips it. Hits something in front. It's still there loose. Oh, my goodness. That'll do it, folks. Sackle's going to drop this one 3-1 to the Moncton Hawks. Great game. Hard-fought game. Congratulations to the Hawks on that. They deserved that W. They did have the edge. We'll hang out here, see who gets player of the game for both teams. And we'll be back tomorrow around lunchtime to finish off the round robin portion of this tourney. Not the result we wanted. It does not mean we are out. I think it does mean that every team in the round robin now has a loss. So tomorrow is very, very important. We'll line up for player of the game presentation. I am going to award player of the game for the Sackville Flyers. You know what? I might give it to Slavuta. I think he had a great game. Not on the score sheet, but he played hard there today.
Player of the game for the Sackville Flyers goes number 8, Daniel LaPiza.
Danny Mack.
Player of the game for the Moncton Hawks goes to number 30, Thomas Silva.
All right, the goalie, he's going to get that. That is number 30, Salter, perhaps? Hard to read that name. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow.